Hello friends, welcome to my another video on test automation framework. Today I will be talking about Selenium WebDriver with Mocha along with Kai also. So I have already mentioned about the Selenium WebDriver in my previous video, so you can just visit that video for more details. So here I will be talking about Mocha. So Mocha is also a JavaScript test framework for Node.js programs. Actually, I have talked about Jasmine in the previous video about the JavaScript test framework, and actually the Mocha supports different browsers, and also it supports asynchronous testing, and actually it also have some test coverage reports, and it uses some assertion libraries also. So the setup of this Mocha is very easy, and actually it is simple and flexible. So as I have mentioned earlier, if you have a node and npm available in your system, you can just install it by npm install. So that's pretty much about how we can install the Mocha. Now there's something called Kai. So actually it's a assertion library, and it can be paired with any JavaScript testing framework. So it can be paired with Mocha, it can be paired with Jasmine and all those things. It's just a assertion library. So that means if you want to try some assertion in any JavaScript framework, you can make use of Kai. And the same way we can install the Kai using the npm install. So moving on to the second page, this is just a sample program where how we can use the Selenium WebDriver along with the Mocha. So you can see the test in the third line. You can see test is equal to require Selenium WebDriver for testing, and then we are initializing the WebDriver. And in the Jasmine, what I have mentioned, the describe and it. Here also we have the same concept. So, but we have to give something like test.describe and test.it. So, test.it is one of the test cases, but it does not provide any structure here. So, when we use the describe, actually it provides a good structure to the test, and it will help the test runner to run the test without any issues. So this is a sample code of the Mocha, and then some advantage of like this. So it's like Mocha's before hook is often useful for sharing test setup, and actually it reduces the test run time, and it's like more focused on improving the test cases. And I have, as I have mentioned, there are no other tools involved in the test. It's only Selenium WebDriver with Mocha. And also I have mentioned the describe function that helps for grouping our tests together. Okay, so that's all about Selenium WebDriver with Mocha. Thank you.